MissMadson Enterprises Inc. presents MissMadson's Funny Signs. Exit 3, Little Snoring.
Welcome to Little Snoring. Please drive carefully.
Sam is sleeping behind the wheel. Swah, 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 ruffle, 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 ruffle.
Don't say that to me, Scotty. I think I'm going to... Ouch. My head. My rib cage. My coccyx. My sphincter. Ow.
Later, after Sam recovered from his injuries. Silence is golden.
Duct tape is silver.
What could be bronze?
The Bronze Age.
Went to the Air and Space Museum, but there was nothing there. Nothing but space and emptiness.
Ever stop to think and forget to start again? Well, there's only one person who forgets to start again. Let me tell you who it is. It's Microsoft Mike, because he's an asswipe. Raffle, 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 raffle.
Tantrum in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, damn it, Microsoft Sam, stop calling me an asswipe, you son of a bitch, 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 son of a bitch.
Mike, how dare you? I'm going to give you a wedgie once I make my way out of the ground.
Sorry I threw a tantrum, Sam. Just don't call me an asswipe again.
But I hate getting topsoil in my ears. Yuck.
Yeah, Sam. I always feel that way when I get planted in the ground.
Later, after Sam dug his way out of the ground and gave Mike a wedgie. Skip marks. Pew.
Oh, and all EDM artists. We have a party just for you. It's the EDM party. The party with electronic music everywhere.
Do you think I am a musical girl? Well, I listen to all kinds of music, including the EDM that was mentioned before.
Kate Ball, is Mary a musical girl? Clear your mind. What kind of an answer is that? Raffle, 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 raffle.
Moonwalk.
Walk backwards.
Look out, you're gonna fall.
Ouch. My head.
My rib cage.
My coccyx.
My sphincter. Ow.
Later, after Mike and Mary recovered from their injuries.
Our mountains aren't just funny. They're hilarious. Their hills have an obvious summit.
I'm terrified of elevators and I'm taking steps to avoid them.
Yes, Sam. I just heard you say that you are terrified of elevators. You will be taking the steps all the time. Ruffle.
Tantrum in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, damn, crap, Microsoft, Mike, you stole my last line again, you asswipe.
Alright, Sam, what is the meaning of this? You are gonna get it when I dig my way out of this hole.
Mike.
Later, after Mike and Mary dug their way out of the ground, and Mike swatted Sam's behind with a metal paddle.
Dead. Corporal punishment. I can't sit down for a week.
Sex. Now that we have your attention, eat Subway. Sex sells, but who's buying?
Due to a shortage of robots, some of our staff are human and therefore react unpredictably when abused or under pressure.
They must be control freaks.
Just like Sam. Hog.
Glitch.
If cats could text you back, they wouldn't. Because they don't know how to text.
Puff, puff. Pass the keys to a designated driver. I don't want to pass the keys. You know I already wrecked the car once in this video.
Exit 329 closed. Sucks to be you. But I got fired today, so don't expect any help.
How about we go to exit 330 instead, Scotty? Maybe there's something even better there. Raffle.
In the unlikely event that there is no water, don't panic.
There is plenty more in the river, so please ask reception to start the pump or lend you a bucket.
Mary drinks dirty water.
Bled. Duh. Sam, you know I use a filter for drinking water. Ew. Ew.
Safety ladder. Use at your own risk. This looks easy.
Scotty, I have a feeling that ladder might fall.
Ouch. My head. My ribcage. My coccyx. My sphincter. Ow.
Later, after Scotty recovered from his injuries.
Right lane must right left.
The asswipe that made this sign didn't word it correctly. Raffle.
It needs to say right lane must turn right, not right lane must right left.
If it said, right lane must right left, it wouldn't make any sense at all. Hog.
Life is short if you can't laugh at yourself. Call me, I will. Okay, then laugh at me. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Swa 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 rustle.
Left.
Calm down, Sam. You know that left line is in the public domain.
If door does not open, do not enter. Well, this door seems to have added an extra layer of security in it. I can try to open it, but I have a feeling it won't.
You don't have to try to open it, Sam, because I can open it for you.
Asswipe. Alright, what's with the razzing me?
We did not razz you, Sam.
That buzzer you just heard means that it's time to go home.
Is your Rothacopter ready, Sam?
Yes, Scotty, it's ready and it will always be ready. All aboard, everyone. And this is a message to everyone watching MissMadson's Funny Signs. We'll see you next time, when the next exit opens up. Bye-bye.
This has been a MissMadson Enterprises Inc. production.